Hello, this is KK from KK's Innovative Perspectives, and I am going to show you how to create a thumbnail in Canva. First, you need to go to canva.com and go to the home page, and it's free for most of the services that you can use. And it will say, what will you design today? Go to the end, click on more, and it will bring up a list of other items that you can use. And here's some of the popular ones that you can use. And we are going to do a thumbnail for YouTube. So you click on that. And it brings up a lot of the templates that you could use. And I'm going to click on this one, the top one. And it brings up this. You can click on any of the areas and change it to change the words if you want, or the colors. I'm going to change the person that they have showing on this template. And I've already have one that's uploaded, but you can delete this and go to your uploads. And I've already got a picture uploaded. And you just move the picture to the right, however you want to have it sitting on your screen. You can make it bigger if you want. You can delete some of these little boxes. And personalize it any way you want. You can change the background color as well if you want. And then you can go, and I am going to say that I'm finished with this, but let's make sure that we put a title in at the top. And I just used how to create a thumbnail, and it'll say that. You can go over to share, and you can download. And I will download this. It says PNG. You can do it either way. GPG is fine as well. And it will be downloading here. And then you can take and go over to your YouTube channel. And I just picked one of my videos that I was working on. And you go down to upload file in the thumbnail section. And let's find the desired file that we want to put on there, and it will put it in this spot. So whenever people see your video, they will see this thumbnail right here. I'm just using this as an example, just so that you could see what it will look like when your video posts, and that will be showing up. Thank you for letting me show you how to do the thumbnails, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos. Thank you.